Look what come in the mail today. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, today I got in the mail the March 2026 Bargain Bead Box. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and see what we got. Here comes the sun, little darling. I say it's all right. Anyway, I can't read that line and not think of that song. I forgot. Was that a Beatles song? I don't know. I'll have to look it up and show you. It's an old song, so if any of you are young, you won't have a clue what I'm talking about.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I say it's all right.
Anyway, that's the title of this month. So I'm expecting a lot of yellows with that title, but who knows? So let's go ahead and open it up and let me get everything organized, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, I'm back. I think this is going to be pretty from just kind of what I glanced at as I was organizing it. So let's get going. Number one is 37 by 35 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant. Retails for $7.99. That was a mouthful. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that is really pretty. Now, obviously that's not diamonds, but the way that it's cut. Oh no, hang on. I forgot. It's cubic zirconia. Yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so let's put that there. Number two, we have two-piece 22 by 20 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendants. They retail for $6.99. So here's just a pair of matching earrings if we want. Oh, those are really pretty. Number three, we have 8 millimeter shade pink aventurine beads on a 15-inch string, and they retail for $11.99. Those are pretty. Oh, and they're ombre. Cool. I like those. Let me scoot everything over here. All right, number four. 8 by 5 millimeter pink aventurine rondelle beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $5.99. Those are pretty too. Number five, we have 8 millimeter faceted red agate. It's dyed and heat treated round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. Prettyful, prettyful, prettyful. That's in, what shape did that say? It's just faceted. Okay, it's just a faceted round bead. That's really pretty. I don't know if you can see the little facets in there or not, but that's really pretty. Little darling, I say. Okay, number six, yellow opal tumbled nugget beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $6.99. I say it's alright. Those are cute. I don't know what those look like to me. Candy, nuggets, corn. I don't know. I mean, they're pretty, don't get me wrong. If they make me think of something, I'm just not sure what that something is. Okay, number 7, we have 6 pieces of 14 by 6 millimeter red aventurine bicone beads, and they retail for $3.99. Oh, those are different. I don't know why, it almost gives me a 70s vibe. Okay, I had to delete some stuff there. Okay, I think I've got it back right. Number 8, we have 8 millimeter mixed quartz round beads on a 7.5 inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Those are pretty. Yeah, I like those. Those are pretty. Number 9, we have 38 by 22 millimeter pink aventurine and brass faceted Baroque oval link, and it retails for $5.99. That is a pretty little link. You can see the facets there. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay. Number 10. We have 2 pieces of 16 by 10 millimeter faceted glass and brass round bead links. They retail for $3.99. Oh, these are pretty. Like a peachy pink. Well, they look clear compared to that. Let's see about this white. Number 11, we have 2 pieces of 16 by 14 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel sun charms, and they retail for $3.99. Those are cute. Number 12, we have 10 pieces of 16 by 12 millimeter glass faceted polygon beads in champagne, and they retail for $1.99. Oh, they almost have like a subtle gold. Can you see, is the light showing? I think you can see the gold a little bit in that, right in there. Number 13, we have 5.5 millimeter crystal faceted English cut crackle round beads in light topaz with an navy finish and on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Oh, I like them. Oh, those are really pretty. Like a pretty bracelet. Look at that. I just love Bargain Bead Box. You cannot go wrong with them. Okay, that song will be in my head the entire night now. Number 14, we have 6mm crystal faceted cube beads in magma with an AB finish on a 10-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. I like those too quite a bit. Another fancy net bracelet. Number 15, we have 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in white champagne on 11-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Pretty little bicone beads. Number 16, we have four pieces of 27 by 18mm sunburst chandelier links, and they retail for $2.99. Those are pretty. Goes with the sun theme. We have, number 17, we have 20 pieces of 9.5 by 3.5mm sun cylinder spacer beads, and they retail for $2.99. And I don't know, can you see? That quits blurring. Looks like a little sun right in the center. I'll try to zoom it in when I edit and see if you can see what I'm talking about. Looks like a little sun. Number 18, we have 100 pieces of 3.2mm round spacer beads, and they retail for $1.99. Those make pretty spacer beads. The little round BB looking top things. Number 19, we have 1 meter of 3.5 by 2.5mm stainless steel curb jewelry chain gold, and it retails for $4.99. And she always gives us a pretty little chain. Number 20, we have 2 pieces of 6 by 3.8mm 18 karat gold plated brass rondelle tube bells, and they retail for $1.99. So you would put it on your chain or whatever like that. And then that's a little bell. You can hang something off of that. And lastly, we have 2 pieces of 12 by 7mm brass magnetic clasp, and they retail for $2.99. And she always sends us a clasp of some sort too. Okay, here we are. Let me pull you down. So again, this was March 2026 Bargain Bead Box. Here comes the sun, little dark. Okay, that's enough of that, April. I've sung that all video. You're tired of hearing me. But anyway, Bargain Bead Box, if you don't know anything about them, if you've not ever watched any of my videos or anyone else's for that matter, Bargain Bead Box is a bead box company. They come up with a theme each month, and then they curate the beads to match that theme each month. And you know, of course, you subscribe to them, and that's what allows you to get the discount. It is about 24 something. They've had to go up just a little bit, but it's like 24 something a month now. And which you still, even with them having to go up, probably because everything else has had to go up, you still cannot beat that, because you cannot go anywhere else and get this quality of gemstones and glass beads and, you know, findings and different stuff and pay this amount. It would cost you, I don't know, probably $40, $50 for this, if not more. In fact, on this paper that I first showed you, on the one side, it tells you everything that come in your kit, and then at the bottom it will tell you the retail price. Of course, you heard me saying, and it costs $7.99 or retails for $3.99, you know, what have you. That is the retail value, and this is what the retail value should be, but we paid, you know, under $25 for this. So you absolutely cannot go wrong with this. They are out of Tennessee. I really love this company. They also have a sister store, and it is Bead Box Bargains. See, this is Bargain Bead Box, and their sister store is Bead Box Bargains. With them, again, this paper I showed you, it will have a coupon code on one side of it. You can go into that store at their sister site, their sister store, at any time and use that coupon. And it's not a one-time only deal. You can go in there the entire month long and use that coupon as many times as you like. She always, once she gets everything out, all of the subscribers, she gets all of their kits out, then she puts the extras up on her website, on that Beadbox Bargain sister website. And then after she does that, she always comes in and does like a bundle collection. It's like a, what's it called? I went blank. Companion bundle. And what it is, it's not the same beads, but it's beads that will companion bundle. You can even use that coupon code, which is 30% off for that companion bundle as well. So, I mean, you can't beat that. Not only are you getting a lot of beautiful gemstones and different stuff for a good price, you also get a deal on their sister store for the next month. So anyway, I will have in the description box below, I will have a link. You click on that link, you're going through me. I am affiliated with them, but you go through me, and that just lets them know, hey, I watched April's video, I liked what I seen, so I want to be able to subscribe to you as well. Obviously, with anything else, it is, you know, if you want to put it on pause later down the road, or if you want to cancel it anytime, you're welcome to do that. You're not held, you know, for a real long, you know, it's just 1 month, you know, it's all you're held for. So I encourage you to go and check them out if you are into jewelry making or wanting to get your feet wet. Go check them out. This is the best way to go. Like I said, I have been with this company now probably going on 2 years, if not 2 years already, and I love everything that they have ever sent. So with all that being said, go check them out. Go order, go through me and go order something through them and go have some fun. And I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. And if you would, give me a thumbs up. And I seldom ask that, but I really do appreciate if you'd give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I hate asking for that too, but sometimes, I don't know, maybe I just need to ask. But subscribe, and then that way whenever I make something with this kit, then you will know, because, you know, you'll be subscribed and you'll get a notification. Well, if you hit the bell. So that is it. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me tonight, and I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your evening or day or whatever, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.